Hi all, I am Ashvi. Today we discuss a topic about 6 online dictionaries for writers. If there is one thing as writers should be proud about, it's our way with words. Writing is considered a skill that is developed naturally, especially in the flow of words. However, there may come times when you feel and find yourself lost for words and unable to string that perfect sentences together. That's when someone of oldest friends, the best online dictionaries, come to our rescue. Dictionaries have taken a new, super updated form in the world of internet, and there are a lot of them, each with their own unique features and offerings. First one is Grammarly. Grammarly is a free or paid online editing tool that also doubles up a grammar dictionary as its name has suggested. While the free version lets you quickly check on grammar issues and rephrase incorrect sentence structures, the paid version enhances all those features across every online Word document you are writing on, be it emails, blog posts, or social media posts. Grammarly can correct over 250 type of typos and sentences errors. Grammarly is best used by writers who spend a majority of their time writing online. So, if you have a big collection of blog posts, make sure to run it past Grammarly for the best possible writing outcome. Second one is Google Translate. Pretty much understood by its name, Google Translate is a sort of dictionary you have to keep open at all times when you need a quick translation for a word you discovered which is in different language. Google has made a dedicated app for the dictionary that lets you translate words and sentences on the go. If you are kind of writers who loves to travel for inspirations, let's say you are writing for a localized audience, it's well known that putting in colloquial terms and writings how your readers speak works best for more personal connections. If you need help translating an English word to their local tongue, Google Translate is the best dictionary to use. Third one is the free dictionary. The free dictionary can easily become your one-stop source for all things wordy. It is one of the most well-designed online dictionaries available today, loaded with various word search options like thesaurus, foreign language, Wikipedia search, synonyms, acronyms, and phrases. The Face Dictionary even keeps you occupied with cool word builder, game, and real time word searches. If you wish to use this dictionary to use fulfill extent, you can log into website via your email or social media account. Once logged in, you can customize your homepage by adding and removing content to suit your convenience and writing style. Fourth one is thesaurus. Thesaurus is an extension of dictionary, one of the most professional dictionaries available online. Thesaurus have very cleanly designed user interface that presents all the possible synonyms, antonyms, and relatable words for every word in English language. You even get a did you know come that details of the origin of the word. Thesaurus is best used when you find yourself repeating the same word over and over again in sequence of paragraphs. The dictionary even has a dedicated blog section for your read. Interact and learn more about the wonders of English language. Fifth one is Wordnik. Warnick is not just another very extensive online dictionary. It is also a non-profit organization that is constantly updating and refreshing with new words in English language. Wordnik provides a multiple definitions and meaning for every word. Each definition is taken from various other credible sources like news, articles, and renowned word wizards. Each definition is also ranked based on how useful and accurate it is. You also get to see and hear visual and audio definitions for every word. When you log into Wordnik, you become a part of their expansive community, giving you access to forums, newsletters, and Wordnik profile page where your all favorite content can be stored. Finally, sixth one is Urban Dictionary. Urban Dictionary is not your average dictionary. It is rather one of the quickest and usual dictionaries on the internet. Sometimes ridiculous and other times outright offensive. The Urban Dictionary has definitions for all sorts of pun words and slangs. The dictionary is open to all end and even lets users vote whether a particular user's generated word should be registered. Urban Dictionary even has a dedicated online store where you can purchase everyday items and imprint funny words and their definitions. Urban Dictionary is the best used if you are writing fiction or humorous novel. Every definition of every word is also given a sentence and examples, which on immediate glance will make you burst out of a laughing. If you want to improve writing standards, make it a habit of refreshing to these dictionaries on a daily basis. To write the perfect book, you can't simply stop at generating great words. You still need great design resources, good editing knowledge, and most of all, a trustworthy self publishing house to help you get things going. I hope this discussion will be helpful to you. Follow Launchpad Books to learn more about reading, writing, and publishing. Thank you. Launchpad Books, stories never end.